Is this live? Hey guys. Okay, let me try this again. I don't see it on Facebook. Okay, there we go. Okay, I hope I'm still on data. Good God. I should be. Hey, I don't have my earphones in, so I'm not gonna, hopefully you can hear me. But why I got on is because I saw some posts. One thing that really irritates me and is when I see people talking themselves old, right? Like talking about, oh, I have these aches and pains and I'm by my age and making jokes about things like that. I really don't like it at all. I get really triggered. And I just got triggered by someone's post. Who's not freaking old, who looks absolutely amazing too. But it's this whole thing about what we expect ourselves to be like and feel like as we age. I don't even like to use the word age, right? Oh my God, it's so hot today, I'm sweating, so sweat's just dripping. I don't even like to use that word, the whole aging thing, and you never see me post things like the secret to non-aging or anti-aging or youthful, whatever, because I hate freaking stuff like that. But stop talking about how old you're getting and stop complaining about your aches, pains, and about this old body and about how you can't do this or you can't do that or this because you're so old or because whatever, right? Your words are so powerful. Your words, your thoughts, your beliefs, what you believe is happening to your body, what you talk about happening to your body, all of those things will age you. You've got to know that those things will age you, right? Like our society, hi Marilyn, our society is so bad with, no wonder women don't want to say their age, no wonder women don't want to look older because we have such a bad image of what it's like to age, because we're like, oh, of course this is going to happen, of course my knee is bad because I'm aging, of course I've gained this weight because I'm older, of course I can't do that because I'm this age, of course, right? How many no's are there to aging? We hear people say they can't, I'm too old for this, I'm too old for that, right? Like, I hate all that stuff. I don't say any of that crap, zero. I even stopped saying I'm too old to wear certain clothes, right? Because who said? You're only old when you tell yourself you're so old. Look at the way I wear my hair, for God's sakes. I mean, I do not fit the norm of the 55-year-old, but I also don't act or feel 50, whatever that's supposed to be like. I believe we can make our age anything we want it to be. And I think that we can, there's some vibrant people who are living at 80, 85, 75, 65, whatever, right? There does not have to be limits. The only limits are the limits we put on ourselves. So I want to caution, please watch the words you use, please watch the people you hang around with, how they talk about it. And I see on these Facebook posts, so then of course, it's posted about something, some age comment, right? And then the feed is just, oh, I get it too, and then they're making jokes about themselves getting older, making jokes about their aches and pains, and making jokes about whatever, on and on. This whole feed, right? You're just continually, digging in those beliefs, digging in those things. And then, of course, you start to get the symptoms. You start to feel that way. Your energy lowers. You find that you can't do something. You're out of breath. You're doing this, right? Oh, cool, Marilyn. I love it. And you got such beautiful white hair. I've been growing my hair out, right? This whole turning gray, but my hair's not gray. So I don't know. I think I'm going to. When I get back to Canada, I'm going to continue to streak it a bit, but I'm going to let the gray, when the gray starts coming in more, I'll let it come in, right? I love Marilyn's. Marilyn's got white hair. I'd love to have white hair. Like, my mom's got white hair, so I'm really hoping I'll end up with this white hair, right? That's what I really want that, right? But really, we can age. I don't even like the word age. Live. It's just living. We're just living. You don't talk about it. We got to stop using that word. Like, we're just living. You can choose to live healthier. You can choose to live unhealthy. You can choose to live with limits. You can choose to live without limits. You can do whatever, right? It's just a choice. It's a decision. And then it's acting from that place, whatever you desire. That's truly why I'm doing my Design Your Life workshop this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And if you can't attend live, it's all recorded. Like, it will be there for you anytime you want to look at it and do it. It's in a private Facebook group, and so it will always be there. Like, you can always have access to it. But and it's really time to step up, right? It's really time to own your life and take responsibility for your life. We're talking about designing your life is designing your health. It's designing how you want your body to feel, how you want your body to look, how you want to feel emotionally every day, the type of practices you want to have in your life, the type of people you want to hang around with in your life. You get to decide all of that, right? All of that. You are blonde. You're very light blonde, Marilyn. I didn't say gray. I just said you had white hair. That type of you just got a really nice color. I don't want to say it's not even gray. It's not gray, right? I don't know what color it is. It's just a really vibrant, bright color. So anyways, that's what my workshop's about this weekend, and it's really when you begin to live in a way that feels better for you, that feels more aligned, it's the way you want to feel. The thing I see and hear so much is women who are living feeling helpless and hopeless in the way where I have to do this job, I have to work this many hours, that I have no choice, I have to take care of this person, I don't have time for myself, I'm gaining this weight, I don't know what to do, but I don't have time to eat healthy, I don't know how to cook like this, right? There's so many I don't know hows. The thing is that there are always answers. So if you're not actively seeking the answers or what you can do, or trying various things and taking action and doing various things, then you're just going to stay stuck. That's just the way it is. And yes, it is more comfortable to stay stuck than to take action. It is by far, right? The thing is, I'm just sharing this because I forgot to share it. The thing is not taking action and continuing to stay in your story is just going to keep you stuck. Now, go ahead and do that if you want. If that's really the way you want to live your life, hey, I can't stop you. And I used to want to save the world and help every single woman out there. And I get very frustrated when someone is like, they come onto my Women Creating Healthy Lives page and they're posting how they want this, that help with this, and if they could just lose weight, and they can't find anything that, I'm just sharing, anything that works, and they have these symptoms, and then I'm like, well, I have this perfect program for you, and in 3 weeks you're gonna learn, and they don't join, and I'm like, well, then you don't want any help, right? That's the thing. You got to want to make the changes, and you've got to be one of those people who are willing to do it, right? So if you're somebody who just complains and thinks that, aging is just this way and that way, and it's just hopeless and helpless, and you're just going to have to live like that and continue to get heavier and continue to be too old to do this and that, and then just live your solitary little life, then go ahead. Then you're welcome to do that, right? Everybody needs to do whatever is right for them and whatever is what they truly desire. But are you taking time to even think about what you desire? Are you taking time to even bring that into action for yourself? Okay, so anyways, that's my little rant because that just triggered me to no end. Talk old, you will be old. Guaranteed. Hang around with people that talk like that, you'll end up the same way. It's all a choice, it's all what you choose. And if you are like, no way, that's not going to be me, I want to be different, feel vibrant, have a really fun, exciting life now and in the future, then come and join us at the workshop Design Your Life, and we'll get to that. We'll start designing a life that feels better and right for you. All right, I am signing off now. I have another topic I want to speak about, but I might do another video in a bit. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, whether you watch the replay or this. Thanks for watching, and say hello in the comments. Bye-bye.